Today we're going to do a quick video on how to change your shocks. Believe it or not, it's actually a one-man job. It's fairly simple. So we're going to go from the old shocks, we've already changed one, to the new shocks. And your tools that you need are fairly simple. 1 7/16 socket and 15/16 socket. And we're going to go do the video now. So one of the tricks that seem to be working for me is first use your jack to lift the bottom of the new shock back up. Get it ready to be seated on the top. Put the top bolt through there, let it be suspended, and then tighten the bottom bolts instead of trying to struggle with all that weight coming down. So once you've got the top suspended, you can more freely and easily work with the bottom. Obviously there's going to be a little bit of a gap, and then you're going to have to push it in to get it a seat finally. One word of caution: when you're presetting or with the jack to go and do the top, make sure you don't mix up the angle of this. Otherwise you're going to have to redo it, and I only know that from my own mistakes. So let's go ahead and get these up on in there, suspended. And well, believe it or not, that concludes our video. Very easy to do. I would give this a simple rating. Anyone can do it. If I can do it, you can do it, trust me. All you need is 1 7/16 and 15/16 sockets, and obviously you need the shocks. And I think this was about a 15-minute job. Feel free to check out more at Damage Control Customs and subscribe for more videos. Take care.